One day, many people will know Katie Hasbrook's name. You may see her name in the credits of movies because she wants to be a producer. And Katie has a way of getting what she wants. She is very good at following through on the goals that are very important to her. Even more, she is capable of achieving anything she puts her mind to. Katie perseveres. She is a real trooper. She confronts adversity, and from what I've seen, she has a good record of conquering. Katie is the movie-making expert in our classroom. She loves creating and editing movies, and she is the one others go to for help when making their movies. Katie is headed to Hutchinson High School, where she can focus on the audiovisual track of photography and video. There couldn't be a more perfect opportunity for her. She will shine, and I'm sure she'll be more than satisfied. She's looking forward to being involved in the drama club in high school so she can be included in a performance setting. She is interested in being part of the props effort and working behind the scenes. Katie wants to be in the supportive role, which is a virtue of her personality. She doesn't need to be on center stage, but her interest in the production of the performance draws her to the show. Katie will be there because she wants to contribute to the end goal of the act, not because she needs an audience. This is how Katie approaches social situations as well. She appears quiet and reserved, like in the background, but her friends know better. They see through this illusion. Really, Katie is witty. She makes people laugh with her keen sense of humor. She can be really loud and energetic. But she doesn't call attention to herself on a regular basis, or in the classroom, or general public. But she's always up for a get-together with friends, and she keeps very close friends. Katie has known her friends for her entire childhood. She's made many new friends at Chinook during the past 2 years, and she has stayed true to her lasting pals. She is a real example of the saying, make new friends and keep the old. Katie is a master at staying calm when the workload becomes overwhelming. I've watched her take things one at a time and keep a steady, focused pace. She will always pull through in the end. She can make up a week of work in one day. She is very efficient. Katie, my wish for you is that there is always a Barnes & Noble nearby as an option to occupy your time, with or without your friends. May you someday see your name on the big screen, and may you always enjoy the connection of your close friends. We will miss you here at Chinook. Michelle will present you with your ring and your diploma. Fallon Daniel Hobbs.